going to be showing you how to sew a running stitch. A running stitch is one of the most commonly used stitches when it comes to hand sewing and embroidery, and it is one of the easiest to sew. A running stitch is often used to repair fabric by making little loops around to hold the fabric together. A running stitch is also used as tacking, so holding two pieces of fabric together before either you machine sew or you hand sew with a smaller stitch. So I'm going to show you a couple of ways of sewing a running stitch, and here it is. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again next week.